If you disable your Discord account and now you want to undisable or reactivate your account, first of all, let's see how to do it. Open your browser and type discord.com and go to Discord login URL, and here enter here your Discord account login credential and click on login. And here we can see your account disabled. Now to remove or get back your account, click on restore account and again enter here your account login credential and click on login, and you log into your account and you have successfully reactivated your Discord account. And now let's see how to reactivate an account which account disable Discord support. In order to reactivate your account, you have to submit an appeal to Discord support. So open a new tab and type here Discord support. Open Discord support link and here click on submit a request. What can we help you with? Click here and here you have to select appeals and age update request. And in this email address box, you have to add the email address, which email address you use to create your Discord account. And click on this field and here you have to select appeal and action taken on my account or bot. And this field you have to select an action taken on my account. And in this subject box, you have to carefully describe a subject. And then in this description box, you have to carefully describe that you want to get back your account. And after that, you can attach something here. And in this description box, make sure to mention your account username, your account password, and your account email address. After that, submit these appeal request, and then you have to check your Gmail account daily. So Discord will send you mail with your email. So you have to reply to the email to get back your account. Thanks for watching.